Hello and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how some people make smart, impactful decisions while others struggle with indecision? The secret lies in strategic thinking, a skill that allows you to analyze situations, anticipate challenges, and make calculated moves. In this video, we will explore how you can train your brain to think strategically and make better choices in life and career. Strategic thinking isn't about reacting to problems as they come. It's about foreseeing challenges and opportunities before they happen. It involves looking at the bigger picture, considering multiple perspectives, and making well informed choices that lead to long term success. There are three levels of thinking: tactical, operational, and strategic. Tactical thinking helps you solve short term problems. Operational thinking ensures daily efficiency, and strategic thinking focuses on long term success. To be truly effective, you must develop the ability to shift between all three as needed. Strategic thinking is a skill you can train. Start by asking powerful questions like why and what if to challenge your own assumptions. Look at problems from multiple perspectives. Identify patterns from past experiences and break down complex issues into smaller, more manageable parts. The more you practice, the sharper your thinking becomes. Most people stop at first order thinking. They react to what's in front of them. But strategic thinkers use second order thinking, where they analyze long term effects of their decisions. The best way to apply this? Always ask yourselves, and then what, before making a choice. Not all tasks are equally important. The Eisenhower matrix helps you prioritize by separating tasks into four categories. We had discussed it earlier also in some previous videos. Strategic thinkers don't just plan for success, they prepare for obstacles. Scenario planning means anticipating different possible outcomes and having plan A, B, and C ready with A. The more prepared you are, the less likely you are to be caught off guard. The world's best thinkers rely on mental models, powerful thinking frameworks that simplify complex decisions. Some of the best ones includes first principles thinking, that is, breaking problems down into fundamental truths. Inversion, thinking about what not to do to avoid failure. Lastly, Occam's razor, the simplest explanation is often the correct one. Learning and applying mental models can significantly improve your decision-making skills. Want to see strategic thinking in action? Elon Musk used first principles thinking to reduce rocket cost at SpaceX. Steve Jobs simplified Apple's product lineup to focus only on high-impact innovations. Chess grandmasters think several moves ahead to anticipate their opponent's strategy. Studying these examples can help sharpen your own strategic skills. Strategic thinking isn't just for CEOs or business leaders. It's a skill anyone can develop. By applying techniques like second order thinking, scenario planning, and mental models, you can make smarter choices in your studies, career, and life. Start today and watch how your decision making improves. Now it's your turn. Which strategic thinking habit are you going to apply first? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. And of course, if you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to help us grow, and also for more valuable insights on decision making and success. See you in the next one. Till then, happy learning.